Thank you. Welcome back, everyone. This is Robert at Custodian File. Today's November 30th, 2024. What do we have here? We have two Ospreys coming in, getting tagged. That's what's going on. They're coming straight at my camera. And they're pretty far out there, but nevertheless, very predictable. That's one of those fast-moving UAP dragons. Actually, that's like the President's Osprey. It's coming straight over my roof. So all I did was turn my camera on, knowing that something would fly in, and they do. Here's another one from July 24, 2023, right over the marina too. A little bit of odd banking, turning over the marina. I don't see the dragon yet. This is super slow motion, like 3%. Okay, look at this. Dragon's already passed by right there on top. Kind of hard to see. I'll replay it here for you. Here he is. He's coming in from above, from the left to the right. Just checking out this Osprey. This Osprey is checking out Marina del Rey, banking right there. That's the hot zone. He's going to fly up to the Jetty Rocks. This is just textbook. It's too bad we have so much overcast. That would have been so much better video. But nevertheless, when they come in, and like I said, you can hear them 10 minutes before they get here, or even before you visually can see them. Just textbook, over and over. There's probably a bunch of scientists in these things, lab equipment, computers, radar. They're doing their best. They're doing their best. I don't know if they're getting anywhere, but they're doing their best. Okay, if you like what you see, please remember to like, subscribe, comment. Let's go to the next video. Okay, let's look at some more Osprey videos right here, July 24. I know it looks just like the other one. Look at this guy. Look at this dragon coming right over. You see how predictable this is? Listen, if you're new to the channel, I know this is really hard. There's no way these things are coming in and they're tagging our aircraft. Look at this guy coming right off the ground. Very typical right there on the left. That's where the gas company is. Comes off the ground. Just reconning our Osprey. I know there's probably some scientists in there doing vice versa. Very typical, predictable. Remember, they're baitable. These UAP dragons are baitable. You fly over Marina del Rey, they'll fly up to it, but it's everywhere in the world. It's just for some reason. So that's why the military's here. For some reason, there's something going on in the marina. It might be the water right there. They did put submarines in the water right there. They drove around for an hour and came out. Something's up. This is when he's leaving. Let's see. I think it's going to probably fly behind the tower right here. Here we go, coming in. See it coming in on the top? Right there, behind the tower. There we go. Boom. Just flying along. Just having a good time. How'd you like to fly one of those things? If I gave you like a little remote control toggle switch, did you get a blast out of that? Would that be something else or what? How much fun would that be? Phenomenal, right? Let me show you some more Ospreys, because this is not just one lucky video in 5 years. This is very typical and predictable. That's why I have 5,000 videos. It's because you know where and when they're going to be. So let me show you some more. Let me show you overwhelming evidence. I'm making an overwhelming statement in science. So like they say, you got to have overwhelming evidence. That's fair. I get that. Let me show you the video. Okay, July 24, look at this. We got a bird, look at that. We got everything. You see that dragon on the bottom? We got a dragon, unbelievable. So we got the Ospreys, we got dragons flying around. They're all getting tagged. We just had that bird. I'll replay the video. And it's a little bit out of, I don't know if that's a haze or out of focus. Yeah, it's out of focus. I'm doing my best there. Look at that. There we go. There's that puppy. Here coming in. They're coming in at about 200 miles an hour. They're looking around. They're doing their best. And they're getting reconned. Over and over. So, please help me out here. I'm reaching out to other platforms, but just so some people find this. Oh, we got two of them right here. You see the one on the bottom and the one on the top? That's why I don't zoom in too much. I'll lose the dragon. I don't want to zoom out the dragon. I get it. A lot of platforms, especially the big platforms, are like, no, this can't be happening, Robert. We're going to put this on hold. This can't be happening. If this was happening, NASA and the big universities would have told us by now. So this cannot be happening. I don't know if I agree with that logic. As you know, many of you are recording this, and you're recording, you've got like a library now of hundreds of dragon videos. And they keep growing your dragon library. Just keep taking video, pull out your phone, landscape. There you go. I think this is this is the president in Chicago. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Marina Del Rey, Chicago, Ospreys. Look at that. But that's kind of cool. Ospreys, Chicago, L.A. president. Both. They're. What can I say? It's mundane, but it's fascinating at the same time, right? Very predictable. All you got to do is just watch the video on YouTube. Just punch in logically wherever there would be military aircraft, watch it, and look for dragons. And that's pretty much the whole story. Do a screenshot, tell the rest of us where you're finding these dragons so I can let the world know. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, here we go. We got another Osprey coming in. The time is 6:24 in the afternoon here, flying right over the Jetty Rocks. Textbook. There we go again. You fly right over those rocks. 90% of the time, you're gonna get tagged. You're gonna get reconned. It's pretty straightforward. What do we have here? We have a Synchronized. The time is 3:54. 3:54 Black Hawk, I believe. And this was picked up by the roof camera also. So watch the time. 3:54. Okay, look at this. We got a Black Hawk. Look at the time. 3:54. 3:54. The dragon comes in. This is synchronized with the roof, so I want you to memorize the time. 3:54. Then I'm going to show you the roof camera. Just checking to see if there's another dragon here. I guess not. This is at 3%. So let me show you the roof camera at 3:54 also. Okay, October 13th, 3:54, the roof camera. Look at this. Roof camera picks up the same dragon. See that coming in off the left? He's parked at the gas company over and over. That same dragon just parked at the same spot. I'm telling you, if we ever recon these guys, if we ever put together a team, we bring in our own drones and we recon right there on that hill. But basically, yeah, you get the idea. The roof camera, the balcony camera, they're like 35, 40 feet apart. They're catching the same thing, flying all over the wetlands there. I know you've seen that before, but I want to keep showing you new video, not necessarily old, but new video, over and over, just to point out that this is very provable, predictable, typical, over and over, very repeatable. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, what do we have here? We have the Coast Guard over the Jetty Rocks, 2024 this year. Coast Guard is that, see that vessel right there? That's a research vessel. They're still sending out research vessels. Nevertheless, that's the research vessel working with the Coast Guard right there. Let me show you, or pre-launch. Let me show you the Dragon. I think it just flew underneath too. Way so fast. They're so fast. I gotta tell you, if you're not seeing them, it's not your fault. They're just designed. There it is. Super slow motion. They're designed to be invisible. That's why they were built. Be invisible, get in, recon information, get out. And they do it really, they're really good at it. Very good at it. So here's the Coast Guard working with the research vessel. Boom, just like that. You don't even see it here. I'm going to slow it down again. There it is, right there. Over and over. So the government's doing everything they can. They're not telling us at all. There's the Coast Guard flying deep into the ocean. He's getting tagged, getting reconned. So we just need some of these pilots. We remember the LAPD, the sheriff, and the sheriff, the LAP, and the fire department. Pilots have already said these things are annoying. Now we just need the Coast Guard and the Army to tell us something, anything. I'll settle. There's this Dragon coming in, going back to origin. You've seen that before. You've seen that same Dragon launch from the same spot. And it's just returning to origin. They usually come off the ground on the right at 45 degrees and take off. But it's just returning, just amazing, right? Over and over and over. Oh, look at that. He just made a big U-turn, and now he's landing back at the, going to land back at the same area, the same radius of 1,000 feet. Oh, let me see here. I think we got ourselves a little ostentatious dragon here. What's he doing? Well, I should have maybe interpolated this one. Super slow motion. This is like at 3%. You see how the timeline hasn't changed? Timeline 608, that's where it ended. There you go. That's what they can do when they want to. They can put on a show when they want to. If you have any questions, please ask. I'll do my best to answer. If you like what you see, subscribe, like. If you have your own dragon video, custodianfile@gmail.com. Let's go forward. Okay, we're going to close with this video. This is fast forward. Again, this is the Coast Guard coming in, looking around. He knows that he sees something in the water there. He's got very sophisticated radar, some infrared. They're doing what they can. They really are. They're doing what they can. They got to be very frustrated, these pilots. Can you imagine if you were flying that? You can see these things. Your instruments are firing off. They're firing. They're screaming. They're probably screaming collision, collision. He's doing his best to avoid the collision and yet chase these dragons at the same time. What do you do? What would you do if you're the pilot? When are they going to talk to us? Give us a clue. If you're one of the pilots, God, throw us a bone. Anything, like a 2-word confession. Anything, please. We want to hear from you. Okay, this is Robert at Custodian File. Thank you for watching. Take care. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.